16 billion passwords just leaked. Do this now to protect your Google and Facebook accounts. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you use YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or Instagram, your personal info might be in danger. Just 5 days ago, one of the largest data breaches in internet history was revealed. 16 billion passwords and login details were leaked online. That's double the world's population. Yes, this could include your Google, Facebook, PayPal, or even Amazon accounts. In this video, I'll show you what really happened, how to immediately secure your Google and Facebook accounts, and how to check if your data has already been leaked. Let's get into it. Over the years, billions of login credentials were secretly stolen using malware, fake apps, and browser hacks. And now, all of them were just dumped online by a hacker group. Why? Some say for fame, others say for chaos. But honestly, the why doesn't matter. What matters is this: your personal accounts are now exposed and vulnerable. Step 1. Secure your Google account now. Since most Android users are automatically signed into a Google or Gmail account, this should be your first priority. 1. Open Settings on your phone. 2. Scroll down and tap Google. 3. Tap on your Google account. 4. Swipe left to go to Security. 5. Scroll down and tap Password. 6. Enter your current password, then set a new strong password. 7. Tap Change Password. Now enable two-step verification. 1. Go back to the Security tab. 2. Scroll up slightly and tap two-step verification. 3. Confirm it's you using your phone's PIN or pattern. 4. Tap Turn on two-step verification and follow the steps. Bonus tip: you can also check who and where your account is currently logged in. Tap your devices. You'll see every device with access to your account. If you don't recognize one, remove it immediately. Step 2. Secure your Facebook account. Now let's do the same for Facebook and Instagram. 1. Open the Facebook app. 2. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, Settings. 4. Under Account Center, tap Password and Security. 5. Tap Change Password. 6. Choose your account, Facebook or Instagram, enter your current password and new password, then save. Now activate two-factor authentication. 1. In the same section, tap Two-factor authentication. 2. Select your account. 3. Follow the prompts to turn it on. To check if someone else accessed your account, scroll to where you're logged in. Review all devices and locations. Log out from anything suspicious immediately. Step 3. Check if your data was leaked. Now let's check if your email was part of the 16 billion password leak. 1. Open Google and search, "Have I been pwned?" 2. Tap on the first website. 3. Enter your email address and press check. If the site shows 0 breaches, you're safe for now. But if you see any number above 0, your email and password have been leaked. Here's what to do. Change your password immediately. Turn on two-factor authentication for all important accounts. This is serious, guys. Don't wait. Even if you haven't been hacked yet, it only takes one weak password for everything to fall apart. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss important tech safety updates like this. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. You can support the channel through the link in the description.